Thousands of
I'm Storm Center 7 Chief Meteorologist McCall Vrydaghs. Active weather has been explosive this afternoon. Just looking at the entire Miami Valley, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 severe thunderstorm warnings that are ongoing currently. Our latest severe thunderstorm warning is for parts of Warren, Butler, and Montgomery County out towards Miamisburg. This part of the thunderstorm that's now leaving Butler County and northwestern Warren County does have the potential of producing winds up to 60 miles per hour. I did take a sample of the winds, and you can see its radar estimated of at least 60, which is what would prompt that severe thunderstorm warning. I've seen other wind gusts with a few other storms that were as high as 70 to nearly 75 miles per hour. So this is what we're dealing with this afternoon. A live look outside in Miami Township. This thunderstorm is starting to work into this area, currently not dealing with the severe winds at this present moment in this part of Montgomery County, but I'm sure we will see this camera soon changing with that storm on the way. Another thunderstorm out towards Waynesville, a second one in Clarksville. There is that severe thunderstorm warning until 5:15 as this storm is moving into northwestern Clinton County, eventually going to move up towards Greene County with the possibility of winds up to 60 miles per hour. New severe thunderstorm warning with this cell coming out of Miami County, northeast of Troy. Notice the cloud to ground lightning there. Oftentimes when you see that cluster of lightning that looks like this, it's an indication that there is some hail within that thunderstorm. You get the hailstones that start to bang against one another, and it creates that friction and that charge, and you get a lot of frequent cloud to ground lightning. Wind gusts, and notice those winds as they were coming through. You'll see a bright green shading there near Grayson. That was when I sampled the winds up over 70 miles per hour, and it appears that just to the north of that, those winds are going to be as high and creating some damage out there as well. Severe thunderstorm warning to the west near Sydney, and even another thunderstorm moving into Auglaize County. That warning until 5:15 with the possibility of damaging winds and hail as well. As these storms work through, we'll continue to monitor that situation. We'll have an update on News Center 7 in just about 15 minutes from now. I'll let you know when these storms finally will be moving out. For now, we're going to send you back to Ellen, and we'll join you here on News Center 7 at 5 o'clock.